Hello, guys. This is a video about replacing an EGR valve on an Econoline 2002 Ford van, and I hope this help anyone else that needs to do this kind of job of replacement. I did not find any information on YouTube or not much information online. Already took the old one out and put the new one in, and you just have to remove the air filter. Just a couple hoses. This hose for example, you gotta just find a way to keep it up and away from the valve. This one too, the heater hose, you can use the C-tight, and also I removed the harness for the throttle position sensor. It was obstructing me from using the tool to remove the bolts, the screws that were holding the valve. This is the harness, the connector that goes there. So I'm putting it right here away from it. So also you can see I still have the nut. I don't know, let me just get a good shot. Hope you guys can see it. It's right there, the nut. This nut here is still loose. It's loose, and I need to just tie them up. And this is what I'm using. So is socket. I'm sorry about the socket. Socket number is number 10 millimeters, and so with the ratchet, and is this one is the 116 to remove the nut that connect to the from the EGR to the exhaust. The old valve was a little bit stock closed. I don't like the way it is, and it was a little bit dirty, and I'm getting like a link code. It may not be related to the EGR, but may also trigger, the EGR may trigger that link code as well on Fords. And let me see if I can show you the old valve. I'm sorry how to do this at night because I had no chance to do it. I had no chance to do it during the daytime. This is the old EGR valve. I already removed a little bit of carbon deposit that I had here, and also, I don't know if you guys can see, there's not much, just a little, but let's see, this looks like a piston, and I suck and put my mouth there and suck it, and then the diaphragm did not move really freely. It moved not really the way I think it should be according to the other one, because I did the same thing with the brand new one. The brand new one moved up very freely, so this one doesn't. So that's why I'm replacing it as well. So It's a little bit of also, like I say, the link code that I'm getting, bank 1, and the idle is a little bit sometimes like hesitating, and when I put gas, and if the engine vibrates a little bit, so, and maybe stock, the EGR, like I say, it's a stock close, and it's not recycling correctly the gases, and that's the reason why I'm replacing it. So it's pretty straightforward. So remove this is the air filter that goes here, that assembly, and just this is like a metal bracket or a big metal clamp. You just go like this, and it will come off, and then you pull out the air filter, and so it's pretty simple. And to make sure that you remove the negative from the battery, and you hook up everything, make sure that you have everything hooked up, and then put the negative of the battery back in on the negative connection. Just be careful with couple hoses. This, for example, this one, the air conditioner, the high pressure. And so, well, let's see if I will do the second part after it is installed. I just got one hand and I'm using my cell phone, but eventually will help anyone that needs to do this kind of job. And for now, this is what I have. I'm not a mechanic. I am AC, HVAC technician. I do fix air conditioning, but this is my van, and I like to do mechanic work as much as I can. So I got nothing against mechanics, but there's not a good out there. There's not good reputation for mechanics. I got nothing against, like I say, but I really trust what I can do, and not. And there's many good mechanics, but not many of them are honest. So you need to be careful, and with who do you trust your car. So if you can do it yourself, have the time and decide to do it. Alright, so well, you have a good night, a good day, and see you there.